Hey y'all. So today I'm doing hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a very exciting video and I'm like so excited because basically I'm going to be doing if that thing is annoying back there, tell me. I'll like stop doing that. But I'm going to be doing a like translucent powder with not translucent powder. Like what I'm going to be using is baking soda, flour, cornstarch. That's it. Yeah. Want to see how it goes? Keep on watching. The first thing I need to do is just put some foundation on, and concealer. And what I'm just going to be using it as a setting, like powder. You guys shouldn't do this at home. I have sensitive skin, so it work. If it like it might irritate my skin. Okay. So I'm going to be using Revlon color spray in the color 370. Okay y'all, so I currently just beat my face and it looks literally so good. Like you don't even know like how flawless my face looks right now. So yeah, first thing I have is cornstarch. I'm going to be using this AOA Studio high definition 4.5 brush. So just have it. Sorry that I'm not looking at the camera, but I'm just gonna do one side of my face because I have a lot, so I'm gonna have to keep on taking off my foundation and putting it back on. So yeah, just trying to cake it on here, and then I'm gonna wait. Then I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm not gonna use this brush because then it won't be accurate. And I'm going to be using the Crown brush, and I'm going to be using baking soda on this side. For this, I have baking soda, right, and it's super loose. So I'm actually really scared. You should not put this near your eyes. Oh my god, okay, wait. Okay, I'm scared.
I don't know, I mouth, oh my god, okay.
It's super transparent, but you can see all this fallout, like, oh my god. It looks like super, like a lot. Okay, that's the most I can do. Oh, it's in my nose, okay. Now I gotta wait till 5 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, so it's been like more than 5 minutes. It's been approximately like 8 minutes. So yeah, so now I'm just going to be swiping it off with this angled eBay brushes, no angle or anything. And yeah. You can like, it's actually not bad. Like, I don't really see a difference to be honest. By the way, y'all, these are such good makeup wipes. It's green tea scented makeup remover, and I got these from Family Dollar for $1, and it comes in 25, y'all. It's really good. And I have sensitive skin, it's still gonna always go. Okay, so this time I contoured and you know this year. Oh my god, I contouring, right? So I'm going to cut it right here with the next stuff, so you will see how it looks. So this time I have it in this cup, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild it has no name on it brush. So yeah, okay, this is flour, y'all. So I have the flour. Oh god, okay, wait, this isn't as pigmented as I thought. Like the cornstarch was a lot more pigmented. So I'm just gonna put that there. And right here. Oh, that's more pigmented. Confused. It's not sticky. Oh, it's in my hair. It's in my hair. Oh, okay, that's good. Why is it so much more pigmented right there? Here. Oh. So this side I have baking powder, and it's just in the container because I can't think of anything else. And I'm using this in a different eBay brush. Y'all should like share my video with all your friends and just, you know, get me famous. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna let this sit on my face. supposed to be 8 minutes. I did 8 minutes because like before it was 8 minutes, so I'm just gonna dust it off. Let's see if it cut my. Ooh, oh, okay. Oof. It actually did good on my contour. I am looking a little ashy though. This side was I think flour. So I mean, I would have expected though. This side was baking soda, or baking powder. I think actually my favorite one would be baking soda because it was really nice actually. Like the consistency was really nice. But yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me, subscribe. If you have a comment. If you something. Yeah. Okay, bye. Love you.